my research project focuses on the development of a neural network for that we can use to study different cultures within the computational model.
So my research project deals with study of neuronal cultures, that's cell culture, but modeling it then in a computational way to study and see actually what's happening within that particular culture in the computational model, and then from there you can infer what's really is happening.
The best thing that this project has given me is allowed me to have the scientific view of the research, and it helped me to gain a lot of experience and knowledge on how to carry out the research, how to see a computational model of those cultures, and how to interpret a result actually.
So I think this training has given me a wider horizon on actually, yes, this can be it can quantitatively be determined, or you can measure a particular activity that happens within the real biology of a human in the culture, computational.
At personal level, it helped me to grow my critical thinking on how to carry out a research. It is a great experience. Even apart from the research, even the town itself. So it is a great experience, and definitely I will recommend it to my friend or anyone that has the scientific research mind.